Alright, let's do this. Welcome, game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue5 Mario 64 cloning. So, today what we're going to do is we're going to hop on this on the third-person character, and we're going to, well, we can destroy this actor, but we can all, and we'll destroy the actor, but we'll do the squishing effect too, I guess. So how are we going to do this? Well, first of all, we need to upgrade the jump on this character, on Nario. Oh my lord, it's hot. Like, comment, and subscribe if you hate hot summer days that are in the 80s that make you sweat like a pig. Fair enough. Okay, so to do that we have to go to jump. Now, you want to screw with the jump Z velocity. I already did. I made it 1,000. So that way, because by default I think it's like, what, 700? And it's not enough to jump on top of someone. Yeah, that's the jump. So we want to make it so that way we can hop on this person. So I'm just gonna say, yeah, I'll do 1,100 just to be on the safe side. Next, what we need to do is we need to create a hitbox. We're gonna have hitboxes. Can't we just like overlap? Can't we just overlap via the capsule component? We can, but the world location's basically going to be saying, okay, where's its world location? The world location's actually the center point, so we don't want to do that. It's easier just to create a hitbox, in all honesty. Trust me on that. So I'm gonna get a sphere component, sphere collider, and it's already on the bottom, which is fine. I don't mind that. Let's upgrade the radius. Actually, you know what? Nah, let's not do that. We'll hard code the tolerance. Oh, okay. Yeah. So we're done here for now. Let's go here, and I'm gonna create a hitbox for this character as well. I'm gonna get it. It's a box collision. Oh, gee, I'm sweating like a pig. Why don't you turn the fan on? If I do, because they'll probably hear it in the recording. I could drag this up to the head, but I do want it to be attached to the head, so I'm going to do exactly that. Where is that parent component nonsense? There you are. Under parent socket, I'm going to click on that folder thing. I'm going to type in head. And then click on head. Click on head. That just sounds funny. I focused on. Right. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to scale this down. Move this up. I'll scale it so that way it at least encompasses somewhat of the shoulders. And as for this, I'll make sure it's, yeah, right around there should do it. Really? Yeah. Let's do it like that. That seems like a good bit. And as I said, we can hard code the tolerance. Under collision component, right? Under the capsule component, excuse me. I'm gonna go scroll down to its collision. I'm gonna go to custom. Right now it's set to custom, which makes sense because it's, well, technically speaking, it's blocking everything. I'm going to go to pawn. I'm just going to say overlap. Okay. What about you? Are you set to block the pawn? Yes. If you don't, because we want to make sure we can at least block the pawn. So how will it attack us? Oh, we'll deal with that in a little bit. Okay. So, that said, what else are we gonna do? I think that's about all we can do for the enemy. So, in Nario, we highlight the sphere collision, scroll down, and we want to, on actor, begin overlap. Now, on other actor, because it's BP third person, I'm gonna take this out, type in BP, I'll just type in third person character. And then from there, why is she carrying out? I hope it's not on the capture. That bitch. Anyway, we're gonna get box 1. Why box 1? Cause box 0 is this, box 1 is this. Oh, okay. So now, oh yeah, come on. We're gonna get world. Oh god. Location. And we're gonna drag this out. We're gonna say equal. And from here we grab the sphere, which is, I'm just gonna highlight. I'm just gonna click on it. Find out where it is. Okay, it's over there. So we drag this out, and we get this world location. Get world location. And I'm gonna plug this in, and under the tolerance, I'm just gonna put under the radius. I could get sphere radius, but in all honesty, I'm just gonna hard code it as 100. And we're not done. We also have to see if we're falling. So we have to type in and Boolean. Drag this out, and we're just gonna say falling. Is falling. And it automatically gets character movement for us. Why do we need the falling bit? Okay, so like I said, when we're when we're jumping, technically speaking, our movement mode is set to falling. So we need to make sure that we are somewhere within our hitboxes. So that way, because if we overlap it willy-nilly, it's just gonna be, it's just gonna run as true. We don't want that. Oh, okay, yeah. So we're basically saying, hey, is our hitbox within 100 units of the enemy hitbox? Also, are we falling? And if both of these conditions, and because it's an AND Boolean, both conditions have to be true in order for this to run. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to launch the character. Launch the character. How much we want to launch it? I am just going to put in a ridiculous number. I'm going to put in 1,000. And then I'm going to destroy the character. I'm going to destroy the actor. In this case, you. But I thought you said we were going to do the squishing effect. We will. Okay. So we plug this in. How will we do the squishing effect? We run a timeline. Alright. And then, oh, cool. I already placed her in the world. So let's play. Let's jump. I got a fucking time. Come on. There we go. Cool. We hopped. Yep. We launched. So now let's do the squishing effect, shall we? Come on. Don't do this to me, Nario. How are we gonna do the squishing effect? Okay, so we can either do it in the character blueprint. I'm just gonna do it here because of course I will. I'm just gonna add timeline. I'll just call this the squish. I'm gonna double click. We're gonna add a track. We're gonna add a float track. God damn it! What? Oh, right. You can't see. You need your because you're still on temporary glasses. Yeah. Hold on, I got it. God damn it. Where is... There you are. Under the length, which is here, I'm going to set it to 1. I said 1. Wait, there's not 1. 1. And if I remember correctly, I think it's shift click. Yes, shift click. Yep. So here I'm just gonna put 0 tab 0, and here I can do 1 tab -1. Oh, numlock's not on. -1 and 1. So I highlight these two and I hit 1. So that way we have a smoother bit. Let's go back into our event graph.
let's alt click out of this, and on finish we do that. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to get this. We want to get mesh, and we want to get relative scale 3D. And we're going to split this struct pin out. And then we're going to set relative scale 3D. And we're going to split this struct pin out. And I'm going to put it in here, in update and in finish. Well, no, I'll leave it. I won't put it in finish. Okay. So now what we need to do is we are going to subtract. Is that subtract? Yes. So I need to duplicate. I said I need to duplicate, not save. Boom. Boom. Oh, so then we put that in there. Yeah, in all three. And then we need to put them in X, Y, Z respectively. Yep. X goes to X, Y to Y, Z to Z. We compile, and we try this out. God damn it! What the hell? Okay. So then we have to go into our timeline. What the hell happened? Oh, hold on. Let's do that. You're supposed to be 0, 0. And you're 1, 1. 1, negative 1. Now let's compile again. And let's try this out. God damn it. God damn it. What the hell? Why did it grow? What we can do, if that's the case, we could if that's the case, well, let's do this. And you know, here's long story short. The reason why it's growing is because, technically speaking, it's going into the negative. Wait, what? Yeah. So how do we fix this? What we can do is well, I'll put this back. Oh, and no, it isn't. It's my fault. What happened? I put it in the wrong spot. This goes in here. Oh, I see what you're doing, or what happened. Yeah, okay, so here's what I did. Because it was a negative number, and it was in here, that automatically made it a positive, so it was exited, so it was growing instead of shrinking. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that's my bad. That is my B. That is my B. So anyway. Wait, won't it be a positive anyway? If that happens... Did it shrink? Yeah, more or less. But like I said, this runs every tick, so come on. Boop. Oh, it was shrinking. Yeah. Cool. But do we want to do it on the X, Y? You're right. Let's get rid of that. Let's put it on X on the X and Y to the Y. So that way it only squeezes the Z. Boop. There we go. Nice. You can refine this however way you want to. It's really up to you. And you know, that's how you do the hoppy bits. So what are we gonna do next week? Most likely we're gonna do either one of two things: refine the long jump and somersault, or we do the 3 jump nonsense thing that Mario does. What about the jump dash? We'll worry about the jump dash. The jump dash can work too, but like that's a different that we'll worry about later. Okay. So end it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next week for Doug Teaches Ue5. Happy Labor Day weekend, everyone. Peace.